How to redeem a gift card on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem gift card on Roblox. For this, you first of all want to open up any web browser. Here, head over to roblox.com. Now, the first thing you want to do is sign into your account. Go ahead and enter your username or email address, then enter your password in order to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in and you have a gift card, you can very easily redeem it on the Roblox site. For that, you want to click on the three lines at the top left corner. Now from here, click on the option of gift card. Here, you can either shop for gift cards or click on the redeem card option. Go ahead and click on redeem card. Then over here, you will have to enter your gift card, virtual item or promo code below. Once you have entered the correct code, by redeeming your code, you represent that you and your parent are legal guardian if you are under 18 and agree to the terms and conditions. Go ahead and click on the redeem option. If the code is valid, it will be redeemed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.